Every Christmas Eve, the Christmas star finds a lucky child to grant their wish. This time, it chose her.
I wish for everyone in every world to receive a gift.
What? So many orders this year? All Santas from all worlds, listen up! Overtime, now!
Merry Christmas, buddy.
Merry Christmas.
Mission complete.
For me? Merry Christmas.